This is going to be the last advice for freelance career, which is to become a specialist. Now, why do we need to become a specialist? The main reason is that if you are a specialist, you are like a rare diamond and your rate will be higher than any other normal freelancer or full stack designer or full stack developer. Okay. So what kind of clients are going to look for you? Clients like project managers, design directors, they always look for special skills, okay? Because they already have hired a lot of people, they know what they are looking for, okay? The second benefit of being a specialist is that you can really charge higher hourly rates. If you are a normal web designer, you might charge maybe $30 or $40 per hour or $20 per hour. But if you are a specialist, you can easily charge $80 per hour or maybe $150 per hour. I have seen people charging $80 even in India or Pakistan, okay? So in countries like us, $80 is too much. Even I think the managerial level jobs, they cannot earn that much, okay? Also, specialists can become a consultant later in their career because they know a lot about their subject or they know a lot about their skill, okay? So people will come around and say, okay, I need a website or I need a e-commerce website. What is your suggestion? Should I purchase this plugin or this plugin, or what is the route I should take? Okay, so you can easily become a consultant and you can give them advice that in this way, if you have like 100 products, you can easily open a e-commerce website on a WordPress backend. And if you need a very big e-commerce websites where you have more than 1,000 products, then I don't recommend WordPress. It is going to be slow, okay? So this is really going to give you an edge, okay? So you can easily become a consultant. Now, the key takeaways are that specialists are going to earn a lot more than jack of all trades, okay? So keep that every time in your mind. Now, the second thing is that specialists have a great demand in software agencies or software app development companies, okay? So keep that in mind. So if you are a specialist, like if you are too much specialist on Unix or Linux servers or something like that, then there will always be a need for you, okay? Now, the final word of advice from me is that at the end, experts are really going to win. They can really charge higher than average freelancer, and don't try to be jack of all trades, okay? Don't try to list 100 of skills on your portfolio or a freelance profile, but only few you are best at, okay? So keep all these things in your mind. If you have any questions, ask me. So let's move on to the next lesson.